So right now we have our code and we have a browser, but they're not connected. And the thing that allows us to connect our code and display stuff to our Chrome browser is yarn. So if I type yarn start here, it then takes this code and transforms it into something that's viewable to the human eye, which in this case is this spinning image and this text. But if I were to change something, let's say this is new, it changes what's seen in the browser too. To be more specific, what Yarn just did was it installed these modules that are code from other developers that are like for public use, and we installed it. And they all do different things. I'm not even sure. There's thousands of, well, probably millions of libraries out there. But let's see.
Do you know like half of these?
No, most people don't even go into this folder. You just take it for granted that things work.
Oh.
And this goes on and on and on. So actually before React was created, that's what this framework we're using is. It was very hard to display stuff to a browser. Like the past 20 years, developers have made it better and better to a point where now we just need to type yarn start and it just works out of the box. But like remember even like 10 years ago when we were like in middle school or elementary school, it was just HTML page and stuff didn't move, and every time you click something you had to refresh. Do you remember?
Yeah, I remember those sites, yeah.
We've come a long way since then.
Now everything is like so modern, so sleek.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and what I'm gonna teach you is the most modern one.
Not gonna lie, I'm excited. Not kinda, I'm super excited.
That's exactly what I want out of this course. I want you to enjoy coding. It's not just because it pays well, but actually like it's fun.
No, I wanna enjoy it. Yeah.
Okay, I'm back.
Hello.
Yeah, okay. I'm sorry I'm a little bit slow on this thing because like never coded before, so I'm like.
No, you're doing a lot better than most people. Like for the bootcamp, we had to learn this stuff before starting, and on the first day, a lot of people still didn't know how to do this. Like I was struggling too with objects. Like I was trying to do stuff that didn't make any sense, and you're picking it up on the first day, so that's really good. All this time, you've already been using functions. I just didn't tell you. So this is a function. You see how this is a name of a function, and this is just it's just syntax. So you just gotta remember it. Well, don't. Okay. So the thing about code is, don't try to memorize things because you can always refer back to old stuff that you've written or quickly Google something. Just recognize it. That's good enough.